Saya tidak suka kopi. Saya dosen di Jakarta.
Saya dosen di Jakarta.
Yes, saya dosen di Jakarta. Yes. Saya tidak suka keju. Saya orang vegan. I wanted to record a vlog yesterday of me studying Indonesian, but in the middle of the afternoon we decided to start a new project for the garden. So I dropped my studying, I dropped my vlog, and here we are the day after. So this afternoon I have 1 free hour finally. So I wanna spend this hour studying some Indonesian and basically get back to what I was doing yesterday. Yesterday, while I was painting, I listened to a couple of videos and I watched them twice just to make sure I understood what I was listening to and trying to also memorize as much as possible. But today I would like to go through the videos again and maybe note down some things, some sentences, some new words, because I remember that yesterday I heard a lot of new words and I was like, okay, I'll never remember them. So today I'd like to go through all of them again. So let me open the videos. I love YouTube so much, oh my god. And I must say that I really like this YouTube channel for Indonesian. So the first video was about the difference between tidak and bukan, which apparently are 2 different ways for saying no. I'm not too sure I fully understood, but I think I got a general idea of it, but it's better to revise, of course.
Many of my students ask me about the difference between tidak and bukan.
So tidak, to express denial and refusal. Okay, so bukan is to deny something that is not true. Apa kabar? No. Apa kamu mau makan? No. Apa kamu mau makan? So, apa kamu mau makan? Okay. Apa kamu mau makan? Okay. So if I want to say no, I think it's going to be tidak. So, tidak saya mau makan, maybe? Okay, this is important. So, tidak suka, tidak mau, or tidak apa-apa. Tidak suka, I don't like. Tidak mau, I don't want. Tidak apa-apa, no problem. It's very funny because suka in Italian is kind of offensive to say. But yeah, so tidak suka kopi. Tidak mau makan. So I don't want to eat because I'm full. I don't know how to say I'm full. Tidak apa-apa. Tidak apa-apa. Tidak apa-apa, mate. It's okay. No problems. No worries.
Country, person, items, animal.
Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Saya orang Italia. Italy. I don't know. Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Okay. Saya bukan Anita. Saya Margherita. Saya Margherita. Dan saya orang Italia.
Dan orang Indonesia.
Apa kamu orang Indonesia? Let me know in the comments. I don't know how to say that though. Apa kamu orang Indonesia? Bukan. Saya tidak minum kopi. Oh, minum, sorry. Saya tidak minum kopi, so I don't drink coffee. Tidak, because it's a verb, right? And kopi itu tidak panas, the coffee is not hot. Ini bukan pensil, ini buku. Bukan pencil because it's a noun, it's not an adjective. Saya bukan Superman because Superman is a noun, I guess. Tidak minum, tidak panas. Ini bukan pencil, ini buku. Saya bukan Superman. Saya Margherita. Now I want to find out what's the opposite of panas. So panas is hot. I want to find out what's cold, so I can create a connection between the two, and maybe it's going to be easier for me to remember the word panas, hot, maybe. That's what I like to do. I like to create a connection within the same language, so I try to avoid using a second language, to translate. Of course, I need them sometimes, but when can I avoid them? I prefer to avoid them. Panas and dingin. Okay, so Saya tidak minum kopi because saya tidak suka kopi. So I don't drink coffee because I don't like coffee, right? Yes. Saya tidak minum kopi because saya tidak suka kopi. Kopi itu tidak panas. Kopi itu dingin. Ini bukan pensil. Ini buku. Ini bukan pensil. Ini buku. Dan saya bukan Superman. Saya Margherita. Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Saya orang Italia. Oh yeah, okay. Feel like I kinda got it. Kind of course. So before I watch this video, now I wanna watch this one again.
Di Jakarta.
Saya tinggal di Jakarta. Saya tidak, I guess. Saya tidak tinggal di Jakarta. Saya tinggal di Australia. I hope it makes sense. Saya tidak bicara bahasa Indonesia. Saya mau bicara bahasa Indonesia. I remember that cheese in Indonesian is very similar to cheese in Portuguese, but now I can't think of cheese in Portuguese, of course. Sofrijo, queijo. Saya
suka keju.
Ah, keju. It's literally the same.
Saya suka keju.
Saya suka keju. It's literally the same. And what if I want to create sentences with the verbs from Cocomelon? So, Cocomelon, I learned how to say lari, to run. So, if I want to say I don't like to run, I can say saya tidak suka lari. If I want to say I can't play the guitar, I can say saya tidak bisa main gitar. Saya tidak bisa main gitar. Saya tidak bisa menggambar. Saya tidak bisa menggambar, but saya mau menggambar. Bagus. I don't know. I was making sentences using the notes from the two songs I've studied with Cocomelon. This one is the first one, Pesta per mainan, Ulang Tahun, and then this one, Kilowarga Jari. So there's so many things I still don't know and don't remember, of course. And basically 1 hour is gone because it's 3:50. I started at 3. So yeah, 50 minutes just doing 2 videos. It takes time, oh my god. Anyways, I wish you a happy and satisfying study session and an amazing day. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.